Okay, so our dwarf hero is now part of the navigation system. But to make it look a little more realistic, we need to tie his animations into the NavMesh agent's velocity. So let's create a new script by clicking Add Component, Navigation Animation. Let's open it up in Visual Studio. So we want to add using Unity Engine.ai in the using section. If I type NavMesh agent, it shows up thanks to us using Unity Engine.ai. Next, we want an animator called anim. Now in the start function, we can grab both of those with agent equals get component navmesh agent. And our dwarf hero is a child object, so let's use anim equals get component in children animator. Okay. Now our dwarf's animator has a parameter called forward that controls its running speed. So let's use anim.setFloat forward agent.velocity.square magnitude. All right, so back in Unity, let's push play and test it out. All right, he's pretty handsome, running around. I think I like what I'm seeing so far. So I want my character to be able to travel all over the nav mesh. So let's make the camera follow our character. Click the main camera, and let's type follow target and add it. Set our character as the target, and let's set the offset to 3, 4, and -1, and test it out. Awesome, so now we can explore much further than we did before, and we can test the off-mesh links we made earlier. Well, so that's pretty cool. He seems to go off the edge, but it's an instantaneous thing. So what I want to add now is parabolic movement to our hero.